Alright, so I'm not sure if you'll be able to tell, but this tank is a little bit cloudy. Let's look at it in contrast to the one next to it. Oh, it's just so dark you can't tell, but this one right here, it's just really cloudy and kind of a bluish brown color compared to the other tanks. And even though the water is semi-clear, it has a small odor coming from it. I just washed out the filter with tank water. I've been cleaning up all the poop on the floor, but I have been overfeeding them because I've been trying to get them ready for breeding season, and I'm thinking that the water spiked in ammonia due to that and the filter couldn't handle it. So I'm going to test the water just to confirm my suspicions on why my tank is cloudy and smells a little weird. I'm going to take my turkey baster and I'm going to fill this up to the white line so that when it sits, the bottom of that water is touching the white line right there. See where the white line is? You want it to touch that white line at the bottom when it's sitting level. I'm going to test the ammonia first because if the ammonia is high, I don't need to test the rest. So we'll take our 2 ammonia bottles. There's 2 ammonia bottles. We're going to shake them up super well. Shake all of the bottles before you use them to make sure that nothing is settled or separated. And you start with bottle number 1 on ammonia. And it says on the front, add 8 drops. So that's what we're gonna do. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then I think we're supposed to shake it, but I never do that. I just add the next one right away. This one is also 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Close the cap. All right, now we're going to put the lid on this. We're going to shake it up. I might as well do the tests for everything else just because this is going to be a tutorial video and it looks like we do have ammonia. I use the turkey baster because otherwise I do not get it correctly. Oh crap. And you just saw everything fly everywhere, so. This way I can control how much water I'm putting in this thing easier. Alright, so there we go. And I'm going to do the other 2. Alright, let's do nitrite because that's the second stage of the cycle. And on the bottle of the nitrite, it says add 5. You add 5 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And there is not a second bottle. The nitrite is just 1 bottle. This is the API master test kit for Freshwater. In case you're wondering, in case you use something different. And then I'm going to shake up this tube. Okay. And now I'm going to do the 3rd one. And the nitrate is 2 bottles. Bottle number 1 and bottle number 2. So I'm going to start with bottle number 1. It says on the bottle add 10 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then we're going to do bottle number 2, which says add 10 drops. 1, 2, 3, 8, 9, 10. Alright, and then we're going to shake this up. Alright, and then you always want to test it against a white background, so let's just do this really quick. It is quite obvious that the ammonia is spiked out of control to a deathly level. It looks like it's at 8. So what we need to do right away is we need to do a full water change on that tank. The nitrite is at 0. Nitrate is around 10 to 20, but that's what my tap water usually is. What we're gonna do is a full water change because the ammonia is way too high. It needs to be yellow, and it is dark green. Anything to 0.25 or up is too much. So that's a big fail on my part. Ammonia's spiked. I need to fix it. Honestly, I think I might just change them into tubs so that they aren't in there while I cycle it, but I might take some filter material from another tank and use that. So that might work for me right there. Alright, I'll talk to you guys later. Hope this helped you guys see why your tank might be cloudy. There's other reasons that your tank could be cloudy, but this is just one of them. Thought I'd do a quick video so that you get to walk through the process with me as I figure out the cause of my cloudy tank. It's not because there's excess stuff in it, it's because it's lost its cycle. It did have a cycle, I promise you that. It's just lost its cycle, and actually now that it's been sitting a while, I can see that there is nitrite as well, which means that it hasn't completely lost its cycle, but it's still not fully cycled right now. Because, oh man, okay, this whole thing just needs a full water change because everything's getting darker and darker as I talk. The nitrate is getting higher to like 40s, so it looks like we've just had an ammonia spike. It's somewhat cycled, it's not fully, and I'm gonna have to transfer some filter material from a healthy tank into there. Alright, I hope this helps somebody out there. Maybe if you're not sure why your tank is cloudy, if you're not sure how to use your test kit, always read the instructions. This is just how I use my test kit. It's always pretty handy. It never gives me false results. I'm pretty confident in what these results are right now. And I'll talk to you guys next time. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and test your tank water.